Hello everybody, Bill Batson here from Batson Enterprises. A lot going on. We've been slammed busy and keeping everybody busy, but today I want to talk about the new catalog. We have our new master catalog, 20-year anniversary catalog. This is our 2021 catalog. It is the finest catalog ever produced in our industry. This is 320 pages of parts and pieces, whatever you need to build a fishing rod. I want to talk a little bit about the cover today and what it means to me and my family. Okay, 41 years ago, my father started building fishing rods in the living room of our house in Maui. And I asked my dad, "Dad, what are you doing?" I was 12 years old. I walked in the living room. He was building a one-piece, I think it was a 13 or 14-foot Fenwick Ulua rod. Well, the cover produced for this is because of the Ulua that we used to chase on the islands. And you got the Maui hook right here, and you got a piece of taco, or octopus for you people that don't know what taco is. But that's the cover of our catalog this year in memory of where we came from. We started off really small as custom rod builders, and now we're the #1 supplier of blanks and components in the nation. The Batson family is honored to be able to bring this document to you. We will have this available electronically starting soon. And you can go to batsonenterprises.com to get an electronic copy, and we will be sending out hard copies by August 1st. Like I said, this is the finest catalog ever produced in the industry. So everybody, wanted you to take a look at it. I think I shared it maybe once before, but this is a pretty amazing catalog. What we got going on here, we got a lot of family history and parts and pieces more than you can ever think of. Anyway, I just want to thank everybody for making this possible. Without all the support from the whole industry as a whole and our 400 wholesale accounts worldwide, this would not be possible. The development and the products that we bring to this industry are second to none. And I just want to thank you all and enjoy the new catalog. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.